Komatsu is a high-tech company, building the future of mining through practical innovation with demonstration. The results for Komatsu are something he really likes. Continuous improvement with commitment for responsible stewardship of the earth. Valuable resource. In the future, fewer mines will be placed. Operator is in danger by controlling basic operation of their equipment using Komatsu intelligence. Leading technology autonomously innovative base trucks. Autonomous transport vehicles will make the shuttle back and forth between load and throw away quickly without unnecessary things. See the time or maneuver remotely. The operator will guide the shovel, automatically controls proper bucket filling, swing speed and placement on the truck, maximize capacity and efficiency. The bulldozer will adjust the blade spacing and temporary trajectory speed of a remote operator. Fire monitor. The direction of the story begins 10 years ago with its introduction. Komatsu's frontrunner is autonomous. The transport system has moved more than 1 billion tons, provided by the system a proven infrastructure for management. Today's complex mining operations, the leading-edge environment is already taking care of it. Large fleet of trucks in large numbers. Shovel and dump locations at the same site because it is integrated with delivery of modular mining systems. The leading optimization system is supported by on-site training simulator of immersive technology, enabling smooth and productive operation. This transition to autonomous mining, the system will eventually include semi-autonomous shovel dozers and others equipment. Innovative autonomous transport. Vehicles will play an important role, revolutionize the transportation of that material. Cobbler design and electric drive give. This is the ability to travel at full speed in both directions, the ideal point below. The shovel is automatic and non-existent, need to make sharp turns at low speed or reserve maneuverability and stability will be unmatched with 4 wheels. Steering wheel driving and braking is possible. Easily overcome these obstacles. Mid-engine design provides tires, balanced distribution of weight and wear characteristics when empty or loading, the truck accurately pulled straight in certain crushes or dumping. Location according to plan is the key. Komatsu's leading mining system to plan future shovels. Semi-autonomous with a remote operator on board. Commands some equipment on site based on the same thing. Deeply embedded technology from the current WS600, which automatically controls bucket filling. Komatsu intelligent engine control will increase production and efficiency in looking at the swing rate of dumps and trucks. Damage to body film equipment is minimized by operating within the design. The production parameters of the machine are maximized by mining smartly. Today, high horsepower. Komatsu D375 AI redefines its role. Mining bulldozer production is increases with high-speed reverse, and new undercarriage provides smooth running driving and embedded intelligent machine. Control radically changes. Productive applications available. 1. Onboard application automatically controls the blade, height and pitch to suit mining plan from a taxi or use one available remote control that the operator will carry out easily. Direct the machine in the right direction, making them more productive in the near future. Future remote operators will guide D375 and finally be able to integrate into Komatsu's leading systems. The D375 AI inherits Komatsu's investment in autonomous technology and building foundation for future dozers. Remote monitoring is essential for success of autonomous mining systems. Contract Plus has been watching mining equipment today and soon. Komatsu will introduce more technologies from the front runners and new set. A smart tool for mining willpower. Automatically integrate remotely monitoring and diagnostic resources from factory with simple, actionable steps. you can take while doing it. Equipment that these tools can provide: production and equipment guide. Easy to understand usage and language that fits your daily operations. They are built with experience. Komatsu benefits from working closely together. Customers about mining optimization and continuous improvement. Project load management reduces variations in loading and increasing motor wheel production can be tracked individually through them. Life puts you in charge. Trade-off between production mines, design and maintenance of machine condition. Monitoring is supplemented with suggestions for rebuilding time and opportunities for the future.